Because all these things, when it's new, will flap. Maybe, I don't know. There's a fire for sweet Mary, head of golden lips. Yeah. I don't want to sing out twice. This is what a bandsaw should look like. This is mine. You can see I don't use every damn inch of it. You're lucky you didn't have your hand off then, you was. Listen, I've been working with these tools for over 50 years. It's just a different job. It's the same tools, it's just a different job I'm using them for now. So, please, don't. Please don't. See what you get when you tidy up? You lose all your tools. I don't know where the hell that is. I don't know what I'm doing now, but it looks good. Spring. Worked out harder than I thought this one, I'm afraid, but I had a kip on it. Coming together like old flat top. Sorry for the interlude. Throw it in the water. You gotta dry these things because Christ, this stuff rusts faster than the speed of light. Please help me, I'm a potato peeler. I don't like that watch so fucking ever. Otherwise it's gonna look fucking stupid like. Fucking stupid like. It's on the floor again, daddy on the floor again. Thing is, this voice is not the best. Well, you knew that anyway, didn't you? Nothing I got is the best of any fucking. Ow! Yes, you guessed, it's fucking hot. It's on the floor again. Thing is, I've got gloves. I got a glove. Can we do it? No fucking idea, Robbie. Okay, no fucking idea. Okay, now. Fuck that. You know what I mean? Mudguard. What's the fucking point of that? I had a feeling about that, but guess where it went? On the floor. Make sure you're comfortable and make sure you've been playing guitar for 50 years. I'm telling you, because my wrist is stronger than most. I can't get in there, boss. I can't get in there. A bigger disc, please. Mimicky. You're a mimicky. That hurts as well. It's so hard, it don't matter no more. Save all the dishes for me. Save all the dishes for me. You gotta have a swig, always. You get shouted at. Never coffee fucking right. You know what I'm saying. See, if it looks bad to me with bad eyes, what's it gonna look like to you with good eyes? A cucumber? No. So what I'm thinking, I'm seeing about there. Oh, are you? Yes, I am. Do you remember Harold Wilson? Fucking strange old fucker. Right, before I do anything stupid, which I'm bound to do, Mysterious Girl. Stop singing that fucking song. Nothing wrong with him, but fucking hell, I start though. Don't push me when I'm close to the edge. I don't fucking know. It's not as easy as it fucking looks, you know. I know I make it look easy, but fucking hell. It can do your fucking brain. Can you stand there a minute? No? Yes? No. Can you stand there a minute? Chuck some chocks on. Chocks. They're not the best, because I think they was like £1 odd from Chinaland. Oh, Chinaland. You take piss out Chinaland. I can't tell by looking in her eye. She's a sad fucker. So what do you want? I want a weekend in Paris. Around fucking in like that. No, that's fucking worse, you fucking. Please help me, I'm falling. And that is fucking up, Troy. That was on the floor, Troy. Song. Can I weld that? I don't know, Rob. You'd have to be fucking good to weld. Fucking weld it. The man from Demonte said weld it. The man in the back said everyone attacking turned to ballroom blitz, ballroom blitz. It's gotta be elevated. Something like that. Still runs the river on its journey to the sun. Amaro, adoro. And my heart. Look at this. It's like fucking Chinese fucking torture going on. What is that? Why do they always do earth leads to fucking shot? Cause that, oh, fucking hell, so tight or what? Spare a bit more wire, lads, and fucking make him a bit longer, will you? Fucking hell. Always gotta make fucking job out of you. Come on then. I don't know where you put it. Over there. I bet you're fucking laughing your fucking head though. And I don't fucking blame you. Looks fucking stupid, but it's a stupid bag, alright? It's a stupid bag. Now don't forget, you gotta grip like a fucking donkey. Fucking hell, Rob, you're as thick as they fucking come. There you go, Patrick. We gotta take this one out and cover it in. Cover it in dirt. So it looks like a real dirt bike. Well, you wanted it tight, didn't you? I heard you say it's like a 16th of a fucking feather. Oh, tax of Watchman Bumblo. That cog's not bad. With my one good eye. Fucking honest to God, I don't know. I've done the oldest trick in the book, and I fucking remember saying not to do this last time. Don't whatever I said last time. Don't you know. Don't weld the engine until you got the chain sorted. So I can't blame any fucker this time. I could blame that kid for fucking shouting in my ear all of it. It's your fault. I can't fucking think. I can't think at night. Oh, I got fucking hell now. What's going on here? Sure, that's right, Rob, because I don't look right. Rob. Man, by means, by no means. I'm king of the toads. Stressed again, like we lost our pudding. Stressed again. I like fucking doing that, but it's still fucking hot. I tried this once, it didn't fucking work, so I'm not trying it again. Right, I'm still over here trying to knock this chain apart. In case you're wondering where I am. It's a fucking hard job to do at one hand. Fuck it. Fuck it. I just feel like saying fuck it. Oh, come on. You wouldn't believe this. Well, you would, because you're all fucking sat there laughing with A lot of cowboys out there, I'm afraid. You know, this is unfucking believable. I don't know. My head. You need a good head for this shit. Don't hit it, Rob. Do not hit it. You want to smash it to fucking smithereens, but don't do it. You're gonna rock down to Electric Avenue. Because your brain's getting higher. All we gotta do is straighten that pin there, because that pin's a bit doodle-addled. It's like fucking 50 hours of editing to do. If you can't do a chain, no chance if you got with a fucking octopus, innit? Yeah, bastard. Yeah, it can't fall off, it's an impossibility. See, you gotta do everything several times, you can't. First time is a dem. Next 50 times until you get it right. It's not as easy as it looks, I'm fucking afraid. I could have spanked all night, I could have spanked all night and still be known for tea. Did I up the size of the fucking drill or what? Interesting. Right, we want, for some reason that's all strunk. Gears, foot brake, call it what you want, Marianne. Marianne, you can call it what you want. Marianne. I know all the jokes, I know all the old jokes. Your battery's gone. Oh no, where's it gone? It's gone. See some fucker. I'm over here, I am, so if you're missing me, just sing along. Because there's a hater out there who don't like you singing. I just snapped a drill right in the fucking hole. The answer is never give up, see? Tell me. Don't tell me, don't tell me, don't tell me. Fits on that one, so fucking fit on that one. Stop doing that, you piece of junk. How do? Like that. Okay. Hands up if you're agreeing. If you can make that approximately that big, I'd be happy as a fucking chicken. Right, I'm just cutting on a fucking about. Oh, you knocked my back over, mate. Sorry, mate. Count your fingers, count your thumbs. Right, if I round the back off, then we'll know what the back is, not the front, and the front is not the back. But that's not square, I can see that from fucking here. Metal filings are fucking taking over my world. That's square. Let's fucking start off square, it gives you a chance of doing it. Ow, that's fucking up. It must be Santa. What the fuck are you singing now, boy? You got a better piece of steel than that. Look at it. Fucking hell. I'm roughing it, yeah. Stop saying that. Stop fucking swearing. You're like an old child woman. I am or you am. That's one hell of a bit of welding you've just picked, boy. I know. But I think I can do it. You think you can do it? I think I can weld that. Well, we're gonna fucking find out now. Snip your fucking bollock off. This is like car filler. The more you put on, the more you've got to take off. Only differently. Shut up. Do it you're fucking told, didn't you? I'd be an happy fucking chapless. I'd be a happy little chapless. Wait there, Rob. Oh God, look what you've done. You know what I've done? Of course you do. Don't matter though. Don't matter, I can work that out. I bend that the other way, that's all. Simple as, simple as, simple as. Fucking cock up after cock up. But it's going to look like that. But we should have welded them on there. Fucking should have welded them was the fucking question. Okay now. I'm at my wits fucking end. Anyway, I'm gonna have a drink. So there they all are. Thanks for all your support. Thanks for all your help. And time to move on. We gotta find 4 the same now because I want to do a Volkswagen with big fatty wheels sticking out the sides. And I'll see you on the next video. Cheers, my man, my ladies, my friends, my subscribers, and anybody else who wants to say hello. Haters, fuck off. And they want to be on YouTube, so here they are. And your name is?
Mina.
Mina. And your name is?
Cockney.
Cockney Rebel. Right.
Fuck the haters.
Fuck the haters.
Fuck the haters.
See, now I was talking my language because I get a lot of haters.
Have you?
Oh yes. Nice, innit?